Big, bigger bulldozers, the world's top 10. Greetings, heavy machinery fans. Welcome back to another dirt-moving episode of Epic Mach, your inside track to the most phenomenal agricultural machines and ingenious tools. In today's video, we'll be counting down the 10 biggest, baddest bulldozers on the planet. From American-made powerhouses to Chinese mega machines, these dozers show engineering at its finest. With their massive blade and unstoppable engines, these bulldozers can push through the toughest terrain and move mountains of material. So get ready for a front row seat to see these titanic bulldozers in action. Let's rev it up and see which behemoth bulldozer claims the top spot. 10. Case 2050M. The Case 2050M is an American-made bulldozer engineered to withstand tremendous force on its blade. At 22.6 feet long and 10.1 feet tall, this 20.5-ton machine has an 11.1-foot wide, 3.6-foot high blade. Its 214 horsepower engine enables a top speed of 5.7 miles per hour. The Case 2050M features one of the quietest operator cabs in the industry for maximum visibility. Its fuel tank holds 107 gallons, allowing for low fuel consumption and maintenance needs. 9. HBXG SD7K. The HBXG SD7K is a Chinese bulldozer providing high work efficiency, measuring 19 feet long and 11.1 feet tall. This 23.8-ton machine has an 11.5-foot, 8.4 cubic meter blade. Its 230 horsepower engine reaches 6.2 miles per hour. The 120-gallon fuel tank and electrical monitoring system optimize performance. Various blade types make the HBXG SD7K suitable for mining, construction, and oil fields. 8. Zoomlion ZD220. The Zoomlion ZD220 is a reliable, long-lasting Chinese bulldozer. At 23.6 feet long and 10.8 feet tall, this 23.6-ton dozer has a 12-foot, 1.3-meter high blade. Its 235 horsepower engine achieves 6.8 miles per hour. The real-time monitoring system and low fuel consumption provide efficiency. Applications include road construction. 7. LiuGong CLGB 320. The LiuGong CLGB 320 is a powerful Chinese bulldozer generating tremendous pulling forces. Measuring 21.6 feet long and 11.4 feet tall, this 38-ton dozer has a 14.1-foot, 10.4 cubic meter blade. Its hydraulic system delivers 349 horsepower where needed. Top speed is 8.6 miles per hour. Front cylinder positioning enables smooth, uniform load carrying. 6. John Deere 1050K. The American John Deere 1050K bulldozer provides durability and high productivity. At 21.6 feet long and 11.1 feet tall, this 42.8-ton machine maintains full loads around curves without spillage. Its 12.7-foot, 9.3 cubic meter blade pairs with a 350 horsepower engine reaching 6.8 miles per hour. The 180-gallon fuel tank serves large construction and mining applications. 5. Dressta TD-40. The Dressta TD-40 is a Polish bulldozer built for extreme construction and coal mining. Measuring 18.7 feet long and 14.4 feet tall, this 67-ton giant has a 15.7-foot, 18 cubic meter blade. Its 515 horsepower engine achieves 9.3 miles per hour. The 359-gallon fuel tank supplies a protected, multi-control cab with rollover and falling object shields. 4. Liebherr PR 776 Electronic. The German-made Liebherr PR 776 electronic bulldozer delivers tremendous power for heavy extraction. At 18.7 feet long and 14.1 feet tall, this 71.8-ton machine has a 17 by 6.8 foot, 22 cubic meter blade. Its 768 horsepower engine reaches 6.5 miles per hour. The 322-gallon tank enables long work periods with minimal maintenance. 3. Caterpillar D11. The American Caterpillar D11 bulldozer provides durability and optimized performance. At 34.4 feet long and 15.4 feet tall, this 104-ton dozer has a 20.6 by 6.8 foot, 34 cubic meter blade. Its 850 horsepower engine hits 14 miles per hour. The 424-gallon tank powers challenging rock and high-volume coal chops. 2. Shantui SD90. The Shantui SD90 is China's largest bulldozer, delivering immense power with fuel efficiency. Measuring 37.7 feet long and 14.7 feet tall, this 106-ton dozer has a over 19-foot, 39 cubic meter blade. Its 900 horsepower engine reaches 6.2 miles per hour. The 430-gallon tank connects to a real-time monitoring system. 1. Komatsu D475A. The Komatsu D475A is the largest active bulldozer, combining maximum power and speed. At 37.7 feet long and 15 feet tall, this 108-ton Japanese dozer has a 17 by 8.5 foot, 34 cubic meter blade. Its 899 horsepower engine achieves 11 miles per hour. The 441-gallon tank supplies large construction and mining projects. We hope you enjoyed this look into the leading bulldozers from all around the world. Did your favorite dozer make the list? Let us know in the comments. Before wrapping up, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you liked this video, you might also like this one.